Well, what we've got here is a Macintosh hard disk 20, but the drive seems to have died in it. All it does is sit there and flash the LED. I got it to work once, but it doesn't want to come back to life. Just got to figure out how to take this thing apart. I hate to take these feet off, but there may be screws under there. Curious. Let's see. Man. These are really on there. Oh. And that was a wasted effort. I guess I'll have to pry this thing apart. One torque screw I saw here. Get that out of there. This was for the original 512K Macintosh. Now what? Can't do it with one. There we go. You just gotta really pull on it. But looks like there's a Rodime drive in here. Can't say I've ever owned one of these. Assembled in the USA. Oh great, I don't have any SCSI drives like that. Here's the electronics. 1985. That's power supply section under there. Ah, that sucks. I can't replace it. I've got these, but they're the way wider SCSI connector. Let's power it up. Yeah, it's just clicking. It's not spinning up. Yeah, it's not spinning up. Only stuck. Stiction issue. No good. So I didn't get all the footage, the camera blacked out, but yeah, it turned out that the drive is suffering from stiction. So you have to manually spin the platter and then the drive starts spinning. So it's going to happen again, nothing you can do. Bad drive.